So this is what to expect when you visit Phil Sports for the Gilas versus Taiwan game. So Phil Sports Arena was renovated a few years ago, kaya tingnan nyo naman, maganda na yung itsura niya sa loob. At when you go to your left, bubungad sa'yo yung merch store ng Gilas where you could buy mga jerseys, mga shirts, and iba't ibang mga gamit to support Gilas. So meron ding mga iba't ibang concessionaires where you could buy food and drinks kapag nagutom ka during the game. Pagpasok mo sa loob ng arena, you could see na ang ganda na talaga ng Phil Sports. Magaganda yung mga upuan at dahil hindi sobrang laki yung venue ay kitang-kita mo yung game kahit saan ka nakapwesto sa loob. So hope to see you guys at Phil Sports, Laban Pilipinas. Let's go!